Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to track customer satisfaction scores using Monday.com. It's an essential tool that enables you to manage and analyze your customer feedback effectively. First things first, let's create a new board. Click on the plus new button at the bottom of your workspace panel and select Board. From here, you can name your board Customer Satisfaction Scores, for instance. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space where we collect all our customer feedback data. Now that we've done that, let's create items for each customer. Click the plus item button and enter the name of your customer. Repeat this process for all customers. This helps us because each customer will have their unique feedback, and segregating them allows for easier tracking. Next up, let's add columns for survey sent, feedback received, and satisfaction score. To do this, click on plus column and select status column. For satisfaction score, choose numbers column. Now you can easily track the status of each customer's survey and their corresponding satisfaction scores. This is crucial as it allows you to have a quick snapshot of where each customer stands in terms of satisfaction. Now, let's make use of Monday.com's automation feature. Click on Automation on the top of your board and select When status changes to something, notify someone. Set it up so that when feedback received changes to yes, you get notified. The reason we do this is to ensure that we never miss a feedback update from any customer. Finally, remember to update the satisfaction score column as you receive feedback. This will allow you to keep track of your customer satisfaction scores in real time. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking customer satisfaction scores help you understand your customers better, address their concerns promptly, and drive business growth. That's it, folks. You now know how to track customer satisfaction scores in Monday.com. Keep practicing and fine-tuning this process to better serve your customers and enhance their satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.